Presenting Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 Digital SLR Camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18-55mm with 55-250mm lens and EF S18-55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The DIGIC 4 Plus image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensures speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF S18-55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack. The camera comes with 2 years manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi guys, this is Dina. Today I'm going to take you through one of my latest gadgets, which is the Canon EOS 1500D. If you're looking for a DSLR, then stick around. First, let's get to unboxing. In here, you'll find one camera body, one strap, one charger, one user manual and a rechargeable battery. The camera comes with an 18-55mm lens. For precision and high quality video, you can shoot it in different frame rates such as 24 FPS, 30 FPS and 60 FPS. The camera shoots all the modes in high definition and delivers crystal clear images. In addition, you also get a manual control option and an autofocus mode to make the best out of your creativity as you desire. It also comes with a DIGIC Plus processor with 9 autofocus points for quick autofocus experience. The lightweight camera supports raw video recording, and with its 24.1 megapixel camera, you can shoot clear images that will support large prints and a high pixel rate. For further ease of use, this DSLR is also enabled with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode for you to operate it from a distance. At the base, we have a universal tripod mount that will enable you to use a tripod. You will also get to reap the benefits of both the optical and digital viewfinder with this camera for further ease of usage. With this camera, it has satisfied the inner artist in me, and I have to say I'm really impressed.
Hey guys, today I have with me Samsung Galaxy M12. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch HD Plus display having a pixel density of 270 ppi with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Samsung Galaxy M12 has a bezel-less notch display. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a quad camera setup. On the bottom, you will see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a Samsung Exynos 8 octa-core chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM, and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M12 offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by a 15-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48 megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48 megapixel primary camera supported by a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8 megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy M12 is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching this video.